Hey, hello friends, welcome to my new video of while loop. Okay, so in last video we seen the for loop in Python, so now in this video we are going to see the while loop. Okay, so while loop is one of the important function in Python, inbuilt function in Python. Because of that only we can repeat a process many times. We are going to provide the ending value here as well. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first in for loop we don't give this value that I is equal to 0, 1, but in while loop we are going to give this value I is equal to 0. Then we are going to use the while loop, then I less than equal to the means how many times you need to repeat that number we are going to return. Let's take 10, and then colon, and then now for example I want to take input 10 times, so I will take integer input, enter a number like this. 10 times I want to take the input. Then again we need to increment that I plus 1. Okay, so now when we will run it, it will ask us the output 10 times. Okay, let's extend this terminal. Okay, so now first it will ask number. Let's enter 2, 2, 2, 2. How many times? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 11th one. Now it will stop. Okay, why this is happening, do you know? Because I entered 10 here, okay, and still 11, why it came? You will see that counting starts from 0. Okay, so that is right. Here I is equal to 0, so that's why counting starts from 0. So 0 plus 1, then 2, like this will happen. So let's take 1 here. Now it will be printed 10 times. Now just see, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, got it. Now you will say that if I want 10 times, why I have entered the 10 here? I should enter 11 because counting starts from 0. But no need. Here we have given the smaller than equal to sign. Means let's open MS Paint and I will explain you there. Okay, Paint application, we will open it, and there now I will show you. Okay, so see, first what we have provided, that is I is equal to, what we have done, that I is equal to 1. Okay, so now I is equal to 1. For example, this I is equal to 1 now. Okay, you can see here I is equal to 1. So now what is going to happen? We have incremented downside that I is equal to I plus 1. Okay, so now as we have incremented I is equal to I plus 1, so now what will happen is I is equal to I plus 1. So now I is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. After that I becomes 2. Then again I plus 1. Then it becomes 2 plus 1 means 3. Then it will become 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. Then 8. Then 9. And then 10. Now when the I is smaller than 10 or equal to 10, that time our loop will stop. Okay, means when there is equal to sign, the number will be will be till 10. Okay, means the loop will show us loop will ask us input 10 times when we give equal to sign, because when the I is smaller than equal to 10, that time only we are going to get the input question 10 times. Okay, got it. So now if I removed this equal to sign, then you will see it will be printed 9 times. Sorry, not printed, it will ask us 9 times. See, 4 times done now 5 times, now 6 times, now 7 times, now 8 times, now 9 times. See, 9 times only it asks. Why? Because we have not given this equal to sign. Means what we have done here, we are telling our program that when I is smaller than 10, when I becomes smaller than 10, that time loop will stop. But if we give equal to, then it will be till 10. Okay, so this was the basic concept of while loop. Okay, so now let's see breaking of loop. What is break loop? Means how to break a loop. Let's see that. Okay, for example, I want to take example like let's print one statement first, or else let it be. We will take I is equal to 1. Then we will take input from user. A is equal to integer input. We will give input as enter a number. Okay, so then we will use our while loop. While I smaller than equal to 10 colon, then we are going to take, means now we are going to take input 10 times. So integer input enter a number. Let's store it in variable like b is equal to, and we will cancel this slide because it is same. Now we are going to use the if and else statement, like if b equal to 5. Okay, if b equal to 5, colon is missing here. Let's give colon equal to 5, print young, and we will break the loop here. Means when the 5 when the user will enter 5, then the loop will be broken. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, enter a number. Let's enter 4, and now let's enter 5. Still it's asking. Why is this happening? Okay, so now what is the problem? Okay, many of them think that there is no need of inverted commas. Now let's run, and now let's see what happens. 4, 5, young. Loop is broken now. Loop is broken. What do you see? That when we enter 4, loop is not broken. Still it is asking enter number. But when we ask 5, it will show young and loop will break. It will not further ask us enter number. Still means if we have given this 10 value, still if we break here, if 5 comes, it will break and it will not be executed. So that was a basic idea about the for and while loop. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe the channel, share the video.